In this video, we are going to talk about 12 effective home remedies to naturally get rid of headaches. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. The common medical condition of headaches is one that many people encounter frequently. They have the ability to interfere with your daily life and can range from unpleasant to downright intolerable. There are many distinct types of headaches, but tension headaches are the most common. Migraines are a type of headache that can range in severity from mild to moderate, but cluster headaches are extremely painful and tend to occur in clusters. A number of excellent natural therapies are available in addition to a selection of medications made especially for treating headache symptoms. Here are 12 efficient at-home treatments for headache relief. So let's start. Number 12. Drink water. If you don't receive enough water during the day, you can acquire a headache. In fact, numerous studies have demonstrated that one of the most often occurring causes of tension headaches and migraines is chronic dehydration. Fortunately, it has been shown that drinking water can significantly reduce headache symptoms in the majority of dehydrated patients within 30 to 3 hours. Dehydration can also make it harder to focus and cause irritability, all of which can make your symptoms seem much worse than they actually are. To help prevent headaches brought on by dehydration, concentrate on drinking enough water throughout the day and consuming meals that are high in water content. Number 11. Take some magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral needed by the body for many processes, including the control of blood sugar and the transmission of nerve impulses. It's noteworthy to know that research has demonstrated magnesium to be a reliable and risk-free headache therapy. Comparing those who do not experience these symptoms to those who do, it appears that those who frequently get migraine headaches are more likely to experience a magnesium deficiency. Numerous studies have found that treatment with an oral magnesium citrate dosage of 600 mg per day was successful in lowering migraine frequency and intensity. However, it is better to start with a lower dose of magnesium supplementation while treating headache symptoms, because taking magnesium supplements might occasionally result in digestive side effects like diarrhea in some people. Online stores may sell magnesium supplements. Number 10. Limit alcohol. Alcohol use has been linked to migraines in about 1/3 of persons who suffer from headaches often, according to studies. While most people may not get headaches from drinking alcohol, those who have headaches frequently may get migraines as a result. Alcohol use has also frequently been connected to tension and cluster headaches. It relaxes the smooth muscle in the blood vessels and facilitates blood flow because it is a vasodilator. Vasodilators can sometimes cause headaches in some persons. In actuality, headaches are a common side effect of vasodilators, which includes blood pressure medications. Alcohol also has a diuretic effect, which makes urinating more frequently the result. The body loses fluid and electrolytes as a result. Dehydration caused by this fluid loss might cause headaches to develop or get worse. Dehydration can result in headaches or exacerbate existing ones. Number 9. Get adequate sleep. Lack of sleep can harm your health in a number of different ways, and for some people, it can even cause headaches. One study, for instance, compared the frequency and severity of headaches between individuals who slept fewer than 6 hours per night and those who slept longer each night. People who got less sleep reported having headaches more frequently and with greater intensity. On the other side, studies have indicated that too long naps might result in headaches. Therefore, getting the right amount of sleep is crucial for anyone looking for natural ways to stop headaches. In order to benefit the most from your sleep, aim for the sweet spot of 7 to 9 hours each night. Number 8. Avoid foods high in histamine. The body naturally produces the chemical histamine, which serves as a component of the immune, digestive, and nervous systems. It can also be found in a wide range of foods, including aged cheeses, fermented foods, beer, wine, smoked salmon, and cured meats. According to certain research, People who are sensitive to histamine's effects and who take histamine may have headaches. Some people's histamine-degrading enzymes don't function as well as they should, which prevents them from getting rid of histamine completely. People who frequently have headaches may find relief by eliminating foods high in histamine from their diet. Number 7. Use essential oils. Essential oils are liquids made from various plants that have a high concentration of aromatic components. The characteristic aroma of essential oils is a result of these aromatic molecules. Although applying them to the skin is the most frequent way to utilize them, some of them can also be ingested. Lavender and peppermint essential oils are very useful at reducing headache discomfort. Tension headache symptoms have been shown to improve when peppermint essential oil is applied to the temples. It is quite effective at easing migraine pain and associated symptoms when lavender oil is applied to the upper lip and inhaled. Both peppermint oil and lavender oil are available online. Number 6. Try a B-complex vitamin. A class of water-soluble micronutrients known as the B vitamins have a variety of vital functions in the body. For instance, they assist in the synthesis of neurotransmitters and in the conversion of food into energy. Some B vitamins might be able to prevent headaches. The B vitamin supplements pyridoxine, B6, folate, B12, and riboflavin, B2, may lessen headache symptoms, according to numerous research. B-complex vitamins are a secure, economical method of treating headache symptoms naturally because they contain all 8 B vitamins. Regular consumption of B vitamins is regarded as safe because they are water-soluble and any excess will be eliminated through urine. B vitamins are available online. Number 5. Soothe pain with a cold compress. It's conceivable that using a cold compress will help your headache feel better. Applying cold or ice compresses to the neck or head area reduces swelling, slows down nerve impulse transmission, and constricts blood vessels, all of which assist lessen headache pain. In one study with 28 female participants, it was discovered that placing a cold gel pack on the head significantly decreased migraine discomfort. Place ice in a waterproof bag, then cover the bag in a fluffy towel to create a cold compress. Try pressing the compress to the back of your neck, your head, or your temples to relieve your headache. Number 4. Consider taking Coenzyme Q10. The body naturally produces a chemical called Coenzyme Q10, commonly known as CoQ10. It contributes to the process of turning food into energy and functions as a strong antioxidant. Taking CoQ10 pills may be an effective and all-natural strategy to relieve headaches, according to several studies. For instance, one research study including 80 patients found that daily supplementation with 100 mg of CoQ10 reduced the incidence, severity, and duration of migraine attacks. Taking 3 doses of 100 mg of CoQ10 throughout the day helped lessen the severity and frequency of headaches as well as migraine-related symptoms including nausea. According to another study involving 42 people who often experienced migraines, there are CoQ10 supplements for sale online. Number 3. Try an elimination diet. Studies have shown that dietary intolerances can be the cause of headaches in some people. An elimination diet, which involves avoiding the foods most closely related to your headache symptoms, can help you determine whether a certain meal is the root of your regular headaches. Numerous foods, such as aged cheese, wine, chocolate, citrus fruits, and coffee, are listed as migraine-inducing triggers by people who commonly get headaches. Participants in a single, constrained experiment who adhered to an exclusion diet for a period of 12 weeks reported suffering from fewer migraine attacks. These effects initially became apparent 4 weeks in. Number 2. Drink caffeinated tea or coffee. It's likely that drinking tiny amounts of caffeinated liquids, such tea or coffee, will help you feel better when you have a headache. People with headaches frequently choose caffeine because of its capacity to improve mood, increase alertness, and constrict blood vessels, all of which can have a positive impact on headache symptoms. It also has the important benefit of increasing the effectiveness of popular headache drugs like acetaminophen and ibuprofen. On the other side, studies have indicated that individuals who regularly consume a high amount of caffeine and then abruptly reduce or stop consuming it may get headaches as a result of caffeine withdrawal. People who frequently get headaches should be cautious about their caffeine intake as a result. Number 1. Try acupuncture. Traditional Chinese medicine includes acupuncture, which involves inserting extremely tiny needles into the skin at various spots on the body to stimulate specific acupuncture points. This behavior and a reduction in the intensity of headache symptoms have been linked in numerous studies. 22 distinct studies including more than 4,400 people assessed acupuncture's efficacy for treating migraines and found it to be comparable to that of conventional treatments. Chronic migraines are treated with the anticonvulsant drug topiramate. A different study, however, discovered that acupuncture was both more efficient and secure than topiramate. When looking for a non-pharmaceutical method to cure chronic headaches, acupuncture is a realistic choice to take into consideration. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.